All right. Good morning, everybody, family in California, family, friends. Uh, we've been having a little. I'm in my front yard and it's just flooded. But we've been having a little electric storm out here, and I'm gonna take a walk behind me up here where the forest is starting to turn green. It looks beautiful actually, and there were actually deer in my front yard yesterday. Right here, the deer like to come down, and I got these new sprouts growing, and they'll eat those, and they'll eat those bushes. You see that stuff, and they'll come up and hang out right here. And actually, they knock over my trash can that's right here. Hopefully they don't put some hoof prints on my beautiful car that's getting ugly wet right here. I need to put it more diagonal so it could go in the garage, but alright, under the carport. But I'm gonna take this little walk. And those deer been coming on the porch, and they've been knocking over my porch furniture. They knocked over the table, and they knocked over the chairs, and they get at this little bucket that I usually put the oven rack on and barbecue ribs or just stuff on it. My little homemade barbecue, but I think they like to lick the barbecue sauce off of it. But anyways, I'm gonna walk backwards so you could see where I'm going up the street right here behind me, how it's looking a lot more beautiful than what it has looked. And actually, I'll put the umbrella. I shouldn't have brought it. I should have just left it. I'm gonna switch hands so I could turn you all around. Ugh, hair is getting in my mouth. Okay, we're here, the end of my street. You can see, I've told you before, my street is only 1, 2, 3, 4 houses. But it's very steep. Not quite as steep as this one. But y'all could see, look at how the forest is looking. Oh my gosh, I just love their house. And you could see it starting to sprinkle a little more. And I just wish all I would have to do is be just 4 more houses up. Gosh, and look at where I would be. Wow. I've taken this walk many times for y'all, but I've done it when it was sprinkling, but not when it was raining quite like this. But you can see how the ivy is starting to come back, and it's really starting to look beautiful out here. Everything is turning green. This will give you an idea. This is not a gutter. This right here, what I'm looking at, this water actually constantly is here. It constantly runs. Even if it was hot and sunny, this water is always here. I don't know where it goes or it's coming from, but it's constantly right here. Oh yeah, because at the bottom of this little valley right here, There's what we've done. That's the back side of me. You could see up there. It'd be really cool to see some deer right now. But right there you could see there's a little, look down there, you could see the water running down there. And look back in there. I'll show you. See if I could widen this out. See the water running right there? You could hear it. That water's constantly there. So that's that. But that water right here is always there. See, it's running down right there. It gets bigger down towards the bottom. But there it is. It's a little walk around the block. That's all. But you can hear the water right here. And there you go. And you could see all the water out there running. And the forest. That is some, like I always say on this video, this is very, very thick, deep forest. Like I said before, I would walk it with somebody, but I wouldn't go alone. Not here. Well, this is West Mountain that I live on. Now, North Mountain, I've already taken a walk there, and it's even thicker than this, and someone told me to just watch out for the bears because they come out around 5 or 6 o'clock, but more in the summer. And that's what we've done. I know this is a long video, but actually I'm making this for Dad because he likes these videos that I make like this. And you could see how everything's turning green. And I'm just going around the block. That's it. Whoa. And that's my block right there. And we come up this little street. I'm kind of jamming it now because you could hear the rain is coming down harder. But I'm holding the camera kind of awkward in my hand. But that's how it is out here. And that's how it looks to walk around my block. And whoa, you could see I'm back home. And whoa, here I am back to my house. You could look at the water running down my street. man. Like I said, it's a long video, boring, but mainly it's for my dad. But I put them on YouTube and Facebook for anybody. I don't care. Public. I'm public, so. Oh, there you go. I was a little hike, but I'm back with my espresso. I'll see you later. Love you, everybody.